Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the error code of Roblox. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to restart Roblox application. So for that you need to enter into your task manager and please close all the Roblox related application which is running in the background. Once it's done, we are entering into the second step is to check internet connection. I'm just turning off my Wi-Fi and turning on for the quick call. If you have the directly connected, please do troubleshoot it. So our third step is to reset network setting. For that, please enter into the CMD and copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. So once it's done, your network will be resetted and please exit it. And our fourth step is to disable the proxy. For that, you need to enter into your settings over there, network and internet, and please click the proxy and enter into the setup and please disable the proxy settings and save it and close it. Yeah, and our fifth step is to allow Roblox through firewall. Just please enter into the Windows security and enter into the firewall and network protection. Over there, please click allow an app through firewall and please check whether the Roblox application is checked on private and public. So once it's checked on, just save it and close it. And our sixth step is to clear Roblox cache. For that, please press Windows or and then type percentage temp percentage and hit OK. And please click Ctrl A to select all and delete it. And our seventh step is to update network driver. So for that, please enter into your device manager and then please enter into the network adapter and media tag and update it. Yeah, once it's done, please restart it. And then our eighth step is to reinstall Roblox. For that, please enter into the settings, over the settings app and then installed apps and then search for Roblox and enter into the three dot icon and please uninstall it and install again. Our ninth step is to change DNS server. For that, you need to enter into the control panel and then network and internet and network sharing center and your network, Wi-Fi network or Ethernet, anything, and then properties and then internet protocol and then properties and make it as 8888 and 8844 on the DNS servers and then hit OK and then hit OK and close it. Once it's done, please restart your system and your issue will be solved. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe tech. Bye bye.